Dear investors, we at Kotak Mutual Fund are excited to bring a product to invest in global innovators through the Kotak Innovation Global Fund of Fund. This fund will primarily invest in units of Wellington Global Innovation Fund. Innovation and technology advancement has recreated the world in the mold of a global village. To give you a sense of the holdings, the current top investments of the fund are Amazon, Google's parent company Alphabet, Facebook, Visa, AstraZeneca, and many more such companies. Wellington Management manages the underlying fund and follows a bottom-up stock selection process. Fundamentals are based on the score assigned through TIBR methodology. T is for trend, stands for companies that have products or services that are trendsetters. I for innovation stands for companies that are capable of building innovative or intellectually property driven product or services. B is for barriers, which is for businesses that have a high entry barrier. And finally, R is for risk, which means eliminating those companies who are at a high risk of being against the trend and getting disrupted. Hence, the TIBR methodology. The current portfolio of the underlying fund provides exposure to information technology, consumer discretionary, consumer staples, communication services, healthcare, and other sectors while being present across geographies such as North America, Europe, Japan, emerging markets, etc. As an investor, if you are looking to invest in a fund that may help you diversify your portfolio across sectors and regions with innovation as a theme, Kotak Global Innovation Fund of Fund can be suitable for you. We believe that innovation can drive growth independent of the global economic cycle. The new fund offer starts from 8th July 2021 and closes on 22nd July 2021. Thank you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.